1.4 million Udemy accounts, your email, your home address, your payment info, that Python thing you abandoned, all of it, floating around on a dark web forum before you finish this sentence. Shiny hunters, the ransomware crew, snagged your names, emails, addresses, credit card details. They even got the exact courses you signed up for. But the course list, that's the real kicker. Your SQL injection class, your AWS certification path, your entire cybersecurity enrollment. Attackers now know precisely which systems you manage and how you try to protect them. You basically handed them your own attack surface. Your email now screams, phishing target. They know you're on Udemy. Expect fake course deals, dodgy login alerts, password resets. All designed to make you click the next bad link. Your home address? Now, in a physical threat database. Your card info type, billing address, those last 4 digits ready for the next your bank scam call. The breach. April 24th. Ransom demand goes out. Udemy says no. The data dump happens. You find out from a tweet. Udemy pulls in 62 million learners and $500 million a year. They did the math. Pay shiny hunters, or take one bad news cycle. They opted for the bad news. Udemy's execs looked at your data and decided it was worth less than the ransom demand. You were just a line item on a spreadsheet. You didn't get a vote. The industry says, paying ransoms just fuels more attacks. Every cybersecurity team on Earth echoes, don't pay, take the hit, tell your users, move on. That policy makes sense in theory, but the theory doesn't cover you. You weren't in the policy meeting. Nobody asked if your home address was worth the principal. The policy is rock solid for the masses. You're not the masses. You're not the masses. You're one of the 4 million individuals whose specific details are now circulating because a company made a perfectly rational, general policy decision. This wasn't a lone wolf. Shiny hunters hit Vercel April 19th, Bitwarden April 22nd, ADT, the home security giant, same week. Then Udemy, April 24th. 5 days. 3 critical infrastructure targets and 2 major learning platforms. This isn't random. This is a hit list. They've been running this operation since 2020. They haven't been caught. Not once. ADT's tagline is always there. Shiny hunters got there first. And just like Udemy, ADT also refused to pay. Also got dumped. The company promising your safety couldn't even protect its own customer list. They call me the AI godfather because I've seen this same script play out 100 times. Shiny hunters didn't need fancy hacks. They needed a spreadsheet, a generic ransom note, and companies that treat no like a viable security strategy. Udemy stood firm on principle. You're left holding the bag.